Good morning student. Welcome back to Alchemy online classes. Student, do you remember what we learned in our previous class? Yes, we learned about different kind of soil and where they are found, and we also learned which kind of crop can grow in a particular kind of soil. Now tell me, what would be happen if all soil removed from garden? There is no soil, you cannot find any soil in garden. What you can see? Can you see plants? No. Why? And what soil is doing? Let's see. Now student, we'll see what will happen with this soil with the help of activity. We have taken a mountain or hill of soil, glass of water and one straw. You can use ice cream stick also. So here we have placed our ice cream stick on the soil. Now we'll add water, we'll pour some water with this and we'll see what will happen to this. So we can see if we are pouring water with ice cream stick, it is not going inside. And at the same time, if we are pouring water through soil, some water is going inside the soil. So student, when we are giving direct water to a plant, crop or tree, at that time the root of the plant, tree or any crop cannot hold that water. So the soil is helping plant to accept the water. When we are pouring water in soil, at that time soil is giving water to all parts of plant's tree or crop, because the water is absorbed by the roots and roots are providing equal amount of water to each part of plant to grow properly. So if there is no soil, a plant cannot grow. To grow a plant, we need soil. The top layer of soil, when removed by water or moving air, it's called soil erosion. Soil erosion can happen by nature, at the same time by human also. When we people are cutting trees for our use, domestic use, like we need wood for furniture, for fuel, at the same time we need some leaves of plants for grazing animals, our pet animals. At that time we are doing soil erosion. And by nature, when there is a heavy rainfall or strong wind is moving, at that time soil erosion took place. Now we'll read through our course book Soil Erosion and Causes of Soil Erosion. Soil erosion and conservation. First of all, erosion means to remove or to move away. Soil erosion is a process in which topsoil, means top layer of soil where plants and crops are growing, is washed away by water or blown away by strong wind. The reason or the causes of soil erosion are both human and natural activities. It causes by cutting down plants and trees, overgrazing by animals, and strong heavy winds or heavy rainfall. So these three main reasons are there for soil erosion. Now how we can prevent soil erosion and conserve the soil? But before that, come to checkpoint 3. State true or false. Tea or coffee are grown in red soil. Answer is false. Overgrazing by animals cause soil erosion. Answer is true. Strong wind can cause soil erosion. Answer is true. Now come to next topic, soil conservation. Student, it is important to conserve soil, as soil erosion could be prevented, as soil erosion leads to depletion of the fertile layer of soil present in different places. If soil erosion will take place, the fertile layer of soil will move away, and then a plant is not able to grow because it is not getting proper amount of moisturizers, nutrients which require a plant to grow. Now, preventing soil from erosion is called soil conservation, or we can say preventing soil from getting eroded is called soil conservation. To conserve a soil, we can do and stop many activities. What we can do? We can plant more and more trees. As we know, plants are giving us oxygen and taking carbon dioxide from us. So this is the good benefit of soil conservation. We can conserve our soil also, and we can get, in exchange we can get oxygen also. We can stop overgrazing animals. We can provide food to our own pet animals. We cannot leave them in forest to graze. And we cannot use much artificial fertilizer, as it is having chemicals which make human also ill, and at the same time it is harmful for soil also. Now we'll read session soil conservation from our course book. Preventing soil from getting eroded is called soil conservation. To conserve soil, we should not cut down trees and plants, as their roots hold the soil in place. Plant more plants and trees. Not let animals overgraze on a land area for a long time. Not use too much fertilizer. So according to this, how can we conserve our soil? We should not cut green trees. We can cut wood of dry trees or dead plants. Because green trees are having power to hold the soil, as their roots are helping soil to hold on one place. Second thing, we have to grow more plant and trees. It is good for soil, it is good for human beings as well as for environment. Third, do not let your animals to overgraze on a single land. Give them different places, take them to different places for grazing, or provide them food at your home. And last, do not use much fertilizer. As we discussed, fertilizer is having artificial chemicals which are not good for crops also, not for soil also, at the same time not for human beings also. So now today we learn about how to conserve soil and save our environment.